Hello, this is Ray Drechsel. I'm going to present about veterinary technology and the biology program at Medaille College. Both these programs could use the 3D printing technology that is available today within their programs. So we have I've seen here that 3D printing has become an increased part of the veterinary technology field, just like in human surgery. Uh, Veterinary surgery can also use 3D printing as part of recovery or the prep stage of surgery. So one of those cases was College at Illinois, University of Illinois, used 3D printing as a prep process before going into a live surgery. They were able to 3D print a model of an animal's injuries, and then the doctors were able to decide upon how to go about the surgery. While Medaille College veterinary technology or biology students may not be performing surgeries as doctors, they are an integral part of the surgery room and also the surgery prep. So the likely case that 3D printing will be seen outside of the higher education experience, but also within a veterinary hospital is a growing likelihood. So we have seen over at Purdue, their veterinary doctor candidate students prep using or prepare for bone repairs by using 3D printed bone, and they perform a repair live in class, whereas students at Medaille could also learn from 3D printed bones, full skeleton models with muscle structures also created by faculty and staff within the college would also be beneficial to their learning experience, as some of these models can be costly if purchased from cadaver components. One of those cases of using 3D printing beyond surgery is also to make prosthetics. So veterinary technicians would be involved in the prep and deployment of a prosthetic for an animal. So having a hands-on experience before setting foot in a hospital to help the doctors actually prepare one for a live case, having that experience to create one in the classroom to prepare real life experience would be beneficial.